Pasta e fagioli, one of the most loved meals in Italian homes. It's warm, creamy, comforting, and once you taste it, you understand why Italians have been cooking this dish for generations. Today, we want to show you how pasta e fagioli is really made at home. Simple ingredients, slow cooking, and a lot of love. It's food made to bring people together. And if you think simple food can be powerful, stay with us until the very end. In this video, we're going to show you how proper Italian cooking always begins with soffritto. Soffritto is more than ingredients in a pan. It's a foundation that carries the soul of Italian food. This is the moment when simple ingredients start releasing aroma, warmth, and memory. Guanciale is such an important part of traditional Italian cooking. It represents a deep respect for ingredients and for flavor built slowly over time. If you don't have guanciale, you can replace it with pancetta or even bacon. The flavor will change, but the dish will still be comforting and delicious. One of the beautiful things about this dish is how every ingredient matters. Each one adds its own voice, a bit of sweetness, deep, balance, or richness. On their own, they are simple, almost ordinary, but together they create something familiar and complete. The heart of pasta e fagioli is the pasta itself. Here we're using elbow pasta because it captures the sauce and makes every bite comforting. Traditionally in Italy, small pasta shapes like ditalini, tubetti, or even broken pasta are used for this recipe. These are the ingredients we're using today. Short pasta, elbows. They hold the sauce perfectly and give the dish a creamy texture. Today we're using cannellini beans, classic and creamy. Guanciale, Italian curried pork cheek, very flavorful, but you can also use pancetta if you prefer. Onion, the base of our flavor. Celery adds freshness and depth. Carrots for a natural sweetness. Garlic, essential for aroma. Tomato paste for color and richness. Salt and black pepper, simple but important seasoning. Dried oregano gives a beautiful Mediterranean touch. And of course, extra virgin olive oil, always the heart of Italian cooking. These are simple ingredients, but together they create something truly incredible. Now we start by slicing the onion thinly and doing the same with the celery and carrots. In Italian cooking, this combination is called soffritto, and it's one of the most important foundation of flavor. Soffritto is not just vegetables, it's technique. When cooked slowly in olive oil, these ingredients release their natural sweetness and create a deep, aromatic base for the entire dish. Many traditional Italian recipes start this way: soups, sauces, stew, ragu, because it builds flavor for the very beginning. The key is patience. You don't want to rush this step. Low to medium heat, gentle cooking, letting everything soften slowly. This is where the magic starts. We add some olive oil to the pan and let the vegetables cook slowly until they become soft and fragrant. Already it smells amazing. Now we grate the garlic directly into the pan. Garlic cooks very quickly, so we add it after the vegetables have softened. If you add it too early, it can burn and become bitter. Fresh garlic makes a huge difference in Italian cooking. It adds aroma, warmth, and that unmistakable Mediterranean flavor. Just a small amount transforms the whole dish. Now we add dried oregano and mix everything well. Oregano brings an earthy, herbal note that pairs beautifully with beans and tomato. Even though it is a simple herb, it adds depth and makes the dish taste more rustic and authentic. Now we cut the guanciale. Pasta e fagioli is considered a peasant dish in Italy, what we call cucina povera or poor kitchen. It was created centuries ago when families used affordable ingredients they had available: beans, pasta scraps, vegetables, sometimes a little cured meat for flavor. It comes from central and southern Italy, especially regions like Lazio, Campania, and Veneto, each with their own variation. What started as a humble dish became one of the most loved comfort food in the country. And honestly, sometimes the simplest dishes are the best one. We add the guanciale into the sofritto. The fat melts and mixes with the vegetables, creating incredible flavor. Guanciale gives richness and depth, but if you don't have it, pancetta or even bacon can work too. Now we add the tomato paste and mix everything well. Tomato paste gives color, sweetness, and the concentrated tomato flavor without making the dish too liquid. In Italy, pasta e fagioli is especially popular during winter. It's warm, filling, and perfect after a cold day. We make this dish often at home because it's comforting, nutritious, and honestly, very satisfying. It's one of those meals that makes the whole house smells amazing. Now some freshly ground black pepper. A small tip: always add pepper during cooking, not just at the end. This allows the flavor to blend into the sauce. Now we add the beans and mix everything well. Cannellini beans are traditional because they are creamy and mild, but you can also use borlotte beans or even chickpeas. Beans are full of protein, fiber, and make this dish very hearty and satisfying. In another pot, we cook the pasta in salted boiling water, just like the sea, as Italians say. Now we let the sauce simmer gently. This is when all the flavor comes together: the vegetables, the guanciale, the beans, the herbs. Slow simmering allows everything to blend and become richer. Many Italian grandmothers say soup should never rush. They need time to become special, and honestly, they are always right. Now we add the cooked pasta directly into the sauce and mix everything together. This step is very important because the pasta absorbs the flavor. If the dish looks too thick, you can always add a little pasta water. That starch helps create a creamy texture without adding cream. Pasta e fagioli should be creamy, not dry, not too soupy, right in the middle. And now we serve our pasta e fagioli nice and hot. Just look at this, creamy, comforting, and full of flavor. We finish with freshly grated Parmesan cheese on top. This adds saltiness, depth, and makes everything even more delicious. And here it is, our beautiful pasta e fagioli. A simple dish with humble ingredients but full of tradition, warmth, and love. This is the kind of food that brings people together around the table. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a like and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for cooking with us, and we'll see you in the next video. Buon appetito!